So we've got this 2010 Land Rover Defender Puma. It's the 2.4 model, 206,000 Ks on the clock. And what was happening is there was this blowing noise coming from the engine bay when you accelerated or when you put the vehicle under load. I read online that it's more than likely the intercooler or one of the intercooler hoses. There are two hoses, one running from the turbo to the intercooler, the other running from the intercooler to the inlet manifold. The one on the left of the vehicle, which is from the intercooler to the inlet manifold, is the easier one to get to, so I decided to remove that one first. Took the big cover off and then removed the pipe, which came from here, went down through the bottom and to the left hand side of the intercooler down there. So I took the pipe off and gave it a good inspection. Here we had a look at the pipe, it all looked fine. I was concerned it was the wrong pipe until I had a good look underneath this braided piece here. And underneath the braided piece there I saw the split, and so that's where I was losing air from. Sorry about the focus, there we go. And so if you have a look there, that's the split there. So we went and got a new pipe from Landy Parts in Pinetown. It was 417 Rand including VAT. The new pipe is in its packaging. Let's get it out the packaging. Here it is out of its packaging, brand new, and we'll get it into place. The new pipe is in, clamped tight there onto the inlet manifold, and if you follow the pipe down to the intercooler, this side was a little bit finicky to get it on, but managed to get it on and it's all tightened up. Good to go, got the cover back, and the next thing now is to take it for a nice burn. See how it goes. Hopefully the power's back up again. Taking it for a quick drive again, and seems to have power back. Power's back and there's no noise, really awesome.